Gicunji giki kia mugeka gigitamburukio kirakunjura mukwa wa miaka karundo mihituku. Guuku kanitha-ini wa ACK St Philip's mwena wa Narumoru kaunti-ini ya Nyeri ni kumwe gwa kuria Queen Elizabeth wa keri agenire hindi ya icera riake guku bururi-ini mwaka-ini wa 1952. Kanitha uyu wakirwo mwaka-ini wa 1942 na umwe wa maundu ma mwanya ma kuhura kirore icera ria Queen Elizabeth guku ni muhuri uyu.
Ni kuri na coat of arms kana kirauni ya kingi na message yake yandikitwo hau ni ukumiona na ni kuri na muti ura wahandirwo muthenya 1952 wa kuririkana hindi ria Queen ari guku kana ria atuikiire Queen.
Gicunji giki kia mugeka giatinirio kuma hari mugeka uria warangitwo ni Queen Elizabeth hindi ya igongona ria kuhumbwo kirauni mwaka-ini wa 1953 na kirutagwo nja maita meri o mwaka ari njira ya kiririkano gia kuria athiaga kanitha mbere ya kwamukira riboti ya gikuu kia ithe King George wagatandatu. Mugeka uyu uroragwo ni Sarah Sessions uria ukoretwo ari murumiriri wa kanitha uyu kuma mwaka wa 1985.
She remembered St Philip's Church in Narumoru where she'd attended morning service in February, soon after hearing of her father's death, and so she ordered that a piece was cut from it and sent to St Philip's, and we've taken care of it all these years and hopefully in the many years ahead.
Ari tajira ya kuririkana icera ria Queen Elizabeth kanitha-ini uyu muti uyu wahandirwo ithenya-ini riake thutha wa mitha ya tariki 2 mweri wa keri mwaka wa 1952.
Are thankful for the connection we've had. When she had finished the service, she planted the tree that is outside here, and that is still living and in good shape, thanks to the caretakers of this church.
Mukawa-ini wa Treetop o guku kaunti-ini ya Nyeri turonio muti haria nyumba ya Queen Elizabeth akomaga yakitwo.
When she was washing animals at night, her father died in England the same night. So she climbed that lodge being a princess and came down the following morning, Queen Elizabeth II.
Hindi ya icera riake guku mwaka-ini wa 1952 nirio amenyithirio ciigie gikuu kia ithe na hau agituika Queen. Mukawa uyu ukigira ngumo nene kumana na icera riake guku.
In the year 1983, Queen Elizabeth made her second visit, but this time he did not walk on the other side. He just spent the night at Treetop Lodge because he came late in the evening.
Thutha ucio mwaka-ini wa 1983 hindi ya wathani wa mutongoria wa bururi Daniel Moi, Queen Elizabeth ni acerire guku bururi-ini o ringi na akirara mukawa-ini uyu. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV yothe wa Wadurwa.